Hi, I'm Missy Gutierrez, co-founder of Peak Alkalinity. When our new patrons begin their journey with alkaline water, one of the most frequently asked questions is how do I get started? And what about the ionizer? Is it complicated to use? My answer is not at all. If you have an index finger, you are well equipped. Let's talk about how to achieve proper pH when beginning to drink alkaline water. The end goal here is to adapt your body to drinking a pH of about 9.5 to 9.7, which is calibrated as level 3 on our ionizer. But it's wise to gradually work your way up to that level of alkalinity. The reason why we start at level 1, about an 8.5 pH, then proceed to level 2, approximately 9 on the pH scale, and on to level 3 at about a 9.5 to 9.7 pH, over a period of 3 to 4 weeks is to keep your body from detoxing too quickly. When you rapidly climb the pH scale, an overwhelming amount of toxins are then coursing through the bloodstream in order to eventually become eliminated. This can potentially cause headaches, nausea, acne breakouts, sensitive skin, and very frequent trips to the bathroom. If we take a stair-step approach, it may take us 3 to 4 weeks to achieve a drinking level of 9.5 pH, but the process is smooth and relatively uneventful. Begin by drinking a half gallon of level 1 alkaline water a day for 7 to 10 days. A half gallon being a minimum to achieve adequate hydration and impact blood chemistry. You may notice slight headaches, slight body aches, or slight body acne as your week progresses. You will begin to detox, but it should be minimal. You will also notice more frequent urination and slight changes in bowel movements. These things are fairly typical. Should these symptoms feel unmanageable, back off on the volume of alkaline water intake for a short period of time before continuing on. After drinking a half gallon of level 1 per day for 7 to 10 days, with little or no negative symptoms, bump up to drinking 1/2 gallon per day of level 2 for 7 to 10 days. Again, should unmanageable symptoms occur, back off on the volume of water consumed each day, or mix 1/4 gallon of level 1 and 1/4 gallon of level 2 to equal a half gallon per day for several days before bumping back up to level 2 completely. After drinking 1/2 gallon of level 2 per day for 7 to 10 days with little or no negative symptoms, increase to 1/2 gallon per day of level 3 for 7 to 10 days. Again, symptoms should be manageable. Remain drinking 1/2 gallon of level 3 each day consistently to enjoy tremendous health benefits. Drinking level 4 alkaline water is reserved for people with chronic conditions such as cancer or leukemia, although it can be used in cooking to enhance rice or pasta. Something that is very important to note is that alkaline water should not be ingested within 30 minutes of meals, either before or after. Additionally, sustained release medication or enteric-coated medication should not be consumed with alkaline water. In both instances, purified water would be optimal. How should you use the different acidic settings? It's quite simple. Acidic 1 is generally used to water plants. Neutral for plants is about a 5.5 to 6 pH on the pH scale. They'll flourish in this environment. What should you use level 2 acidity for? It works great in a topical application. You can use it for cuts, scrapes, and scratches without stinging. You can use it for seborrhea, psoriasis, dandruff, great relief of stinging from sunburn. You can use it on decubitus ulcers when the skin is fragile. You can use it on diaper rash. You can use it for pink eye, earache. You can put it in your neti pot to rinse out your sinus cavity. It works wonders with gingivitis and periodontal disease if you use it inside your water pick. We even have patrons that utilize it on their dogs for hot spots. It works wonders in all of these applications. When should you use level 3 acidity? Level 3 acidity is fantastic for sanitizing. It'll kill bacteria and food contaminants on contact. It'll eliminate farm and chemical residue from your veggies or your fruit. It's a very safe, effective, non-chemical cleaner. You can utilize it on countertops, floors, windows, and everything in between. Keep in mind that all levels of acidity are harmless, but are not suitable for drinking. When should you use purified or clean drinking water? It's great for taking medication, for making baby formula and powdered milk formulas. It's wonderful when you're eating a meal. The reason why you should utilize or drink purified water with your meals rather than alkaline water is because the alkaline water is strong enough to neutralize gastric acid. Gastric acid in the stomach is needed to digest food and properly assimilate nutrients.